Alright guys, we back. Sorry I couldn't expect it for the rain. So I put a little table and I got this little mat, put it right here. So yeah, now we can start working on it, this bike. Make the video and work on it and here. So first of all, I use for the foam, let's see. Okay, you can see. Pull it down. You can see it. First of all, I use for the foam. This one, get crack, gray stuff. You see, you can get a Honda boat. If you don't have welding machine, you can make it up yourself. Like I did it with foam right here. You see, foam right here. I put bondo, put everything, and then you need to put metal because you don't need it. You almost look. So if you don't have, you don't like to weld or bonding in your bike, you can leave it like original, or you can do original, or you can do a little customized, or you can make it like a bird cage, any style. So for the safety, you need to have gloves and mask, some mask, fake mask. For if you use grinder, use mask for your grinding, cutting metal, everything. And well, yeah, you need to wear a face mask. When you finish the foam for this one, it will stop crack. So now this crack, I'm gonna go fix it right now. I'm gonna sand it a little bit. I'm gonna do this spot. And first for now, I'm gonna work on the phone. Well, I don't know what the hell I made the face mask. Yeah, I like the face mask. Well, yeah, you know the face mask you wear, no, wear face mask, or do you wear this one? And for the dust and dust, everything. Yeah, so, oh yeah, on the face mask. So here, it's a face mask. Wear a face mask. When you start using chemicals or cutting foam, everything for dust. So, yeah. If you don't have weld machine, you can go find someone who weld expert welder guy. So But yeah, I'm not using the face mask because I'm making video. So right now, I'm gonna show you something else. What do you like to do? I'm making this one. Yeah, you can hit some bird cage on it. But not now. You see all the video. Yeah. So let's start to work, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay.